this is the part where I help Mike with his form. We'd be doing a lot more laps, a lot more running at this point, but he did a couple of side turns. Thanks, Mike, for coming back out here. Okay, one of the first thing I noticed is, number one, he's a very natural athlete. That's a little obvious, but everybody always has room for improvement. And what I saw with Mike is that it's a little bit heavy, landing a little bit heavy, and you might have heard his footsteps. That is a very important thing, is that you don't want to land heavy and push off heavy. You want to, it's almost like peeling a stamp off a roll of stamps. So that's one thing I would just suggest for you, is this: just try to come down. When you come down on to the ball of your foot, try not to meet the ground with force, because you don't need to. What Mike does very naturally, as you might have noticed, is that he has a natural lean which clicks in that gravity, and we can use gravity for advantage or disadvantage. Those people that walk or run at a very vertical have no way of gravity starting their movement forward. It's Newton's law of gravity. It's once a object will not move unless it's engaged and it's pulled by gravity, either backwards or forwards. So Mike's natural ability to hold good posture and lean gives him that advantage of using gravity naturally. The other thing is he's also obviously a very good runner, and most likely a track runner. So he's a little bit higher up on his front or toes area. That's good if you're a very elite runner or a very strong runner. For those of us that are coming up through the ranks of learning how to run properly, again, coming down onto the midfoot, letting the foot settle, letting the natural recoil of our Achilles and all those muscles in our feet and ankles just come right up and meet the ground again. Thank you, Mike. You're an excellent runner. Thank you. Okay, well, that was our main set, and now I'm going to come to the conclusion of the clinic and talk to you a little bit more. Excuse me, we're going to do our cool down and then our conclusion. Okay, so come on back so we can cool down.